Hey everyone! Welcome back to my vlog. I'm Christian Meridi Sinofranca, student teacher from Silliman University. And today is a huge day. This is the moment we've all been preparing for. I just finished my DepEd orientation and I'm officially being deployed to my cooperating school. This isn't a change of vocation. It's our official entry into the world of the Department of Education. In this vlog, I'm going to take you along for the orientation process, share what it feels like to finally be deployed, and discuss how this milestone connects to professional standards we live by the PPST. This orientation was our deep dive into the heart of the Department of Education. We covered the DepEd mission, vision, and core values, along with the professional code of ethics. This session is the definition of PPST Domain 7, which is all about the personal growth and professional development. It's about understanding our identity as teachers within the Philippine government system and recognize the high level of integrity expected of us from day one. I learned that being a teacher in a public school is a form of national service, focused heavily on PPST Domain 6, which is all about the community linkages and professional engagement, specifically Strand 6.1, which is about maintaining a learning environment that is responsive to community contexts. I learned the importance of the code of ethics for professional teachers. It's not just about teaching lessons, it's about how we carry ourselves in the community. We also discussed the child protection policy, which is vital for ensuring that every school we are deployed to remains a safe space for every learner. The biggest challenge here is the reality check moving from the university setting to the actual public school system can be intimidating. There's a lot of paperwork, new set of rules, and the realization that we are now responsible for real lives and real classrooms. It was a bit overwhelming to see the scale of the responsibilities we are about to take on, especially regarding the standard operating procedures of the school. I had to remind myself that every proficient teacher started exactly where I am right now, a bit nervous but ready. During my deployment, I plan to be an active part of the school community. I want to build strong relationships with my cooperating teacher and the parents, as emphasized in PPST Domain 6. I'm ready to apply all those theories from Silliman into the actual classroom to help my students reach their full potential. The orientation is over and the real work begins. Deployment isn't just a destination, it's the start of our journey to become the champion teachers we talked about in my last vlog. I'm so proud to represent Silliman University in the public school system. Wish me luck as I meet my first class. How did your first day of deployment go? Let's share stories in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe to follow the rest of my internship journey. See you in the classroom. Bye!